Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. My name is Tua with Vapor Honey Technologies. Today, I will show you how to sign up on our vapor blasting service and dealer locator website. First and foremost, go ahead and click on the sign up tab in the navigation bar above. It will take you to the sign up page where you can create a new account. Fill in the blanks and check the I agree with terms and sign up. Once you signed up, notice that your username is at the top right above the navigation bar. To add listings on our website, click on the tab Add Listing in the navigation bar. After the page loads, you will notice a yellow box. You will not be able to list anything unless you change the package to business. Scroll down until you see this box. Change the selection to business pack and click change. Now fill in your information and proceed with the payment. Once payment is approved, it will take you to this page. Click your business package and start filling in your information. Once you are done filling out all the information, your listing status will be pending review. Once reviewed, your listing will be approved and live on our website. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.